Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Great car, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Just a good, solid, straight Chevelle. Car's recent body up restoration. You can see it's finished in, this is a cool color. It's a factory color. It's mist green metallic, which really just kind of jumps off this car. It's got the dark green vinyl interior, a little bit of a, mild built 350 in it, automatic trans. You can see it's lowered down a little bit, and they got a set of 18 and 20 inch Billet Specialty wheels on it, disc brakes, air, and really just a cool car, fun car to drive. It's got the cowl hood, good solid Kentucky body. A little nick in the chrome there. And somebody's been out here, it's just handprints, guys. I don't know if you can see that or not. I like the color, man. It looks good the way it sits with the wheels. We thought about seeing if we could put a stripe on it, but man, I kind of like just the green. I think it looks good. It's different. A little Kentucky Spider there. New bumper on the rear. Nice and straight down the sides. Front disc brakes. Now we're going to lose our 350 sticker. Again, 350, automatic car, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It's got air. Air does work. Just a good looking car. New door handles, new mirrors. Got the factory bench seat, tilt wheel. See, it's got all the stock seat belts in it. Showing 35,000. I'm going to assume that's 135. Factory dash, AM radio. It's got all new Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock 10-bolt 331 rear end. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. Car's nice and clean underneath. You can see it's got a new fuel tank, all new exhaust. Cool car, man. Jake fired up here. Jake just kicked your air on. Like I say, it works. Ah, come on, focus in, doggone it. There we go. Sometimes that sun gets on weird angles with different colors and it doesn't want to focus. Fuel gauge works. It's got a good sound to it.
Nothing on the radio.
No, on the radio. Blower motor does work. Car's got 3 of the 4 original T3 headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Facebook is another great way to keep in touch with us. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. It's got a killer look, man. Great day, guys.